Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between Yoga You and HomeCooking. Many traditional grains have been used for generations for their simplicity, versatility and wholesome goodness. Jowar, that is sorghum or great millet, is one among them. So, in today's recipe, we are making a comforting Jowar Khichdi combined with moong dal, vegetables and aromatic spices. This recipe has no onion and garlic. It's a comforting one-pot meal that is both satisfying as well as flavorful. So let's get started and check it out. For the Jowar Khichdi, I've taken about half cup of jowar. First I'm going to roast this. Jowar is low in calories but high in fiber and protein. Now this is the reason any food made with jowar is quite filling and reduces the cravings for junk food, and hence it is a good choice for Weight Watchers. Roast the jowar for about 5 minutes on medium flame. So you can see it's turned to a lovely golden color. Turn off the stove. Cool the jowar and grind it to a nice coarse powder. So I've ground the jowar to a nice coarse powder. It's not too coarse or too fine. So when you touch it, you can see it's like a sandy texture. Sorghum, which is also known as the great millet, is a superfood which has multiple vitamins and minerals required for maintaining good skin and hair. So next we're going to make the Jowar Khichdi in a pressure cooker. To the pressure cooker, add about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Next add the whole spices, cinnamon, clove, bay leaf and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'm just adding a few bits of cashew nuts. This is entirely optional. Add 1 large piece of ginger finely chopped, 3 green chilies chopped. Next add 1 medium-sized carrot finely chopped, 1 cup of chopped beans, half cup fresh peas. Just mix that in and saute it for about 2 minutes. After sauteing for about 2 minutes, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. So this is a very delicious and very easy to make khichdi, and it's extremely healthy. So a wonderful meal by itself. So I've added carrot, beans and peas. You can add other vegetables of your choice. Next I'm adding half cup of moong dal that's been washed. Just mix that along with the vegetables. So I am using ghee because the flavor is better with ghee. But if you want to use a little bit of oil instead of ghee, you can do that as well. Now I'm going to season it. Add about half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Just quickly mix it all in. Keep the flame on low. Finally add the powdered jowar. Mix it all in nicely. Keep the flame on low, you don't want this to stick to the bottom. So if you do find the jowar rava in the market, you can use that as well. If you can't find that, this is a great way to make this. So I've added 4 cups of water, it's a 250 ml cup. So I've poured about a liter of water now. Bring this to a boil. Just mix it at intervals. So after 10 minutes, you can see it's already beginning to cook. Close the pressure cooker, place the weight and pressure cook for about 2 to 3 whistles. So there you go, here is a tasty and healthy Jowar Khichdi that you can enjoy for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Finally, I've added some roasted cashew nuts just for display, and this is entirely optional. It's a great dish as it is, but if you want, you can enjoy it with some raita or pickle by the side. So if you like all our recipes, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share these recipes with your family, friends and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay nourished and stay happy.